Imagine touching a hot stove and pulling your hand back instantly. You didn't think. You didn't decide. Your body reacted. That reaction happened faster than conscious thought. And that speed belongs to one system only, the nervous system. Now imagine another moment. You hear your name in a noisy room. Your heart beats faster when you're scared. Or you suddenly remember a childhood memory triggered by a smell. These are not coincidences. These are signals, rapid, precise, and perfectly timed. Welcome to Vital Codes, where we decode how the human body truly works. Today's episode is all about the nervous system, the brain, the nerves, and the powerful communication network that controls everything you do. From breathing and heartbeat to emotions, memory, movement, decision-making, and even dreams, the nervous system is the command center of life itself. It works every second, even when you are asleep. In this video, we'll break it down step by step in clear chapters, so by the end, you'll fully understand how the nervous system is structured, how the brain processes information, how nerves transmit messages, and how communication inside your body actually happens. Chapter 1. What is the nervous system? The nervous system is the control and communication system of the human body. Its main job is simple in words, but extraordinary in function. Receive information from the body and environment. Interpret and analyze that information. Send precise instructions in response. Every time you move a muscle, feel pain, experience fear, or recall a memory, the nervous system is at work. It constantly monitors both the external world, light, sound, temperature, touch, and the internal environment, blood pressure, oxygen levels, body position. What makes the nervous system unique is speed. Unlike hormones that may take seconds or minutes, nervous signals act in milliseconds. Some signals travel at speeds up to 120 meters per second. Without the nervous system, muscles would not contract. Organs would not coordinate. Thoughts and emotions would not exist. In short, life would be biologically impossible. Chapter 2. Major divisions of the nervous system. The nervous system is divided into two main parts. 1. Central nervous system, CNS. This is the control center. It includes the brain, the spinal cord. The CNS processes information and makes decisions. 2. Peripheral nervous system, PNS. This is the communication network. It includes all nerves outside the brain and spinal cord. The PNS connects the CNS to the rest of the body, muscles, skin, and organs. Together, the CNS and PNS form a complete loop of communication. Chapter 3. The brain, the command center. The brain is the most complex organ in the human body. It weighs about 1.3 to 1.4 kilograms, yet it controls trillions of processes every single second. It consumes nearly 20% of the body's total oxygen and energy, even though it makes up only about 2% of body weight. This alone shows how active and demanding the brain truly is. The brain acts as a decision maker, a data processor, a memory storage system, an emotional regulator. It is divided into three major parts, each with a distinct role. 1. Cerebrum, the thinking brain. The cerebrum is the largest and most advanced part of the brain. Its functions include conscious thought and reasoning, memory formation and recall, language and speech, voluntary muscle movement, emotions, behavior, and personality. The cerebrum is divided into two hemispheres. Left hemisphere, logic, language, analytical thinking. Right hemisphere, creativity, imagination, spatial awareness. Each hemisphere controls the opposite side of the body. The outer layer, called the cerebral cortex, is deeply folded. These folds increase surface area, allowing more neurons and higher intelligence. 2. Cerebellum, the balance controller. Located at the back of the brain, the cerebellum controls balance, posture, coordination, smooth muscle movement. Without it, simple actions like walking or picking up a glass would be clumsy and uncoordinated. 3. Brainstem, the survival center. The brainstem connects the brain to the spinal cord. It controls automatic functions such as breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, swallowing, sleep cycles. Damage to the brainstem can be life-threatening because it controls basic survival. Chapter 4. The spinal cord, the information highway. The spinal cord is a long, cylindrical bundle of nerve tissue running inside the spine. Its main functions are carrying messages between the brain and the body, controlling reflex actions. Reflexes. Reflex actions are quick, automatic responses. Example: when you touch something hot, the signal travels to the spinal cord, not the brain, then instantly sends a command to pull your hand away. This protects the body from injury. Chapter 5. Neurons, the messengers. The nervous system works because of specialized cells called neurons. There are billions of neurons in the body. Each neuron has three main parts. 1. Dendrites. Receive incoming signals. 2. Cell body. Processes the information. 3. Axon. Transmits signals to other neurons, muscles, or glands. Signals travel in the form of electrical impulses. Chapter 6. Types of neurons. There are three main types. 1. Sensory neurons carry information from receptors to the CNS. Example: pain, temperature, touch. 2. Motor neurons carry commands from the CNS to muscles and glands. Example: moving your arm. 3. Interneurons, found only in the CNS. They connect sensory and motor neurons and handle decision-making. Chapter 7. Synapses, how neurons communicate. Neurons do not directly touch each other. Instead, they communicate across microscopic gaps called synapses. A single neuron can form thousands of synaptic connections, creating a vast communication network inside the brain. Here's how synaptic communication happens. 1. An electrical impulse reaches the end of a neuron. 2. This triggers the release of chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. 3. Neurotransmitters cross the synaptic gap. 4. They bind to specific receptors on the next neuron. 5. A new electrical signal is generated. This process happens in milliseconds, but allows incredible precision. Learning, memory, and habits are formed by strengthening synaptic connections. The more a pathway is used, the stronger it becomes. This is the biological basis of learning. Chapter 8. Neurotransmitters, chemical messengers. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that allow neurons to communicate with each other across synapses. While electrical signals travel within a neuron, neurotransmitters carry the message between neurons. Each neurotransmitter has a specific role, and the balance between them is critical for normal brain and body function. Let's understand some key neurotransmitters in simple terms. Dopamine, motivation and reward. Dopamine is often called the reward chemical. It plays a major role in motivation and drive, pleasure and reward, focus and attention, movement control. Low dopamine levels are linked with conditions like Parkinson's disease, while excessive dopamine activity is associated with addiction. Serotonin, mood and stability. Serotonin helps regulate mood and emotional balance, sleep cycles, appetite, overall sense of well-being. Low serotonin levels are commonly linked to depression and anxiety. Acetylcholine, movement and memory. Acetylcholine is essential for muscle contraction, learning, and memory. When a motor neuron releases acetylcholine, it causes a muscle to contract. In Alzheimer's disease, acetylcholine levels are significantly reduced. GABA, the calming signal. GABA is the main inhibitory neurotransmitter. It slows down nerve activity and prevents overstimulation. It helps with relaxation, anxiety control, sleep regulation. Glutamate, learning and memory. Glutamate is the main excitatory neurotransmitter. It is crucial for learning, memory formation, brain development. Too much glutamate, however, can damage neurons, showing how balance is essential. Chapter 9. Peripheral Nervous System in detail. The peripheral nervous system, PNS, includes all nerves outside the brain and spinal cord. Its primary role is to act as a bridge between the central nervous system and the rest of the body. The PNS ensures that information reaches the brain and that commands from the brain reach muscles and organs. It is divided into two main parts. 1. Somatic nervous system. The somatic nervous system controls voluntary actions, things you consciously decide to do. Examples include walking, writing, speaking, lifting objects. It also carries sensory information like pain, temperature, and touch to the CNS. 2. Autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system controls involuntary actions, processes that happen automatically without conscious effort. Examples include heartbeat, digestion, breathing rate, blood vessel diameter. Chapter 10. Autonomic nervous system. The autonomic nervous system maintains internal balance, also known as homeostasis. It works continuously, adjusting body functions based on internal and external conditions. It has two opposing but complementary branches. Sympathetic nervous system, fight or flight. This system prepares the body for stress or danger. When activated, heart rate increases, breathing becomes faster, pupils dilate, blood is redirected to muscles, adrenaline is released. This allows the body to react quickly in emergencies. Parasympathetic nervous system, rest and digest. This system promotes relaxation and recovery. When active, heart rate slows down, digestion increases, energy is conserved, the body repairs itself. A healthy nervous system maintains a balance between these two states. The nervous system is more than just the brain and nerves. It is a living communication network, a biological code that allows the body to sense, think, feel, adapt, and survive. Every heartbeat, every reflex, every emotion, and every memory depends on this system working in perfect coordination. From the smallest neuron to the most complex thought, the nervous system connects your physical body to your conscious experience. If you understand the nervous system, you understand the foundation of human life. This is Vital Codes, where biology meets clarity. If you found this video valuable, like it, share it, and subscribe for more deep dives into the systems that keep you alive. Stay curious. See you in the next Decode.